Hi guys, so today we're talking about additive relationships, and just to review, an additive relationship involves only addition or subtraction to compare the independent and dependent quantities of the relationship. So we're going to be doing an example that is additive relationship. So here's the first example. Manuel has a $20 gift card to Outback Steakhouse and some money in his piggy bank. He can buy dinner for his family that is $20 more than the amount in his piggy bank. So this is important. So I want you to go ahead and either highlight or underline this. Either one is fine. And we're going to create a table and a graph showing how much Manuel can spend on dinner. Okay? So we have our table here. And so if he has $10 in his piggy bank, this is going to be our independent variable. Okay, and then our dependent variable is going to be over here. Okay, so X is independent, Y is dependent. Now this is the equation or the rule. So if he has $10 in his piggy bank and he can spend $20 more, then that means we're going to be adding 10 plus 20, and that's going to give me 30. Now, here we're going to be writing our coordinate pair. This is our coordinate pair. And for the coordinate pair, we have X first, so X is 10. So we're going to put parentheses 10 and then comma and then Y. Y is 30 and then close the parentheses. Now we're going to fill out the rest of the table. So if he has 20 in his piggy bank, we're going to add 20 to that, so we're going to get 40. So my coordinate pair is going to be X is 20 and Y is 40. Then the next one, if he has 25, we're going to add 20 to that. That's 45. So if X is 25, then Y is 45. And the last one, if he has 40, we're going to add 20 to that. And that's going to be 60. So if he has 40 is X, then 60 is Y. So these are our coordinate pairs. Now we're going to be using this information from the table to graph it. Okay, so down here is my graph. And we have X, which is independent. And Y, which is dependent. Okay, so here our X, we're going to go by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, okay. And our Y's, we're going to go by 20s. Okay, so let's do the first point. Our first point is 10, 30. So I go to 10 and then we're going to go up to 30 right here. Then the second point is 20, 40. So we're going to go to 20 and we're going to go up to 40. Then our third point is 25, 45. So 25 has to be between 20 and 30. So I'm going to go between here and then I'm going to go up to 45. Which is here. And the last one is 40, 60. So I'm going to go to 40 and then I'm going to go up to 60. And then we're going to connect our points. And this is additive. And it's also linear because it goes in a line. Okay. Alright, now we're going to do a new type, which is the multiplicative. Alright, so a multiplicative relationship uses multiplication or division to compare the independent and dependent quantities of a relationship. So here's the problem. On one website, you can download songs for $2 each, create a table to graph, and a graph to show the following, how many you can spend on songs. So we have 1, 2, 4, 6, and 9. So this is my independent. This is my equation. This is my dependent. And this is my coordinate pair. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be multiplying x times 2 to get y. So 2 times 1 is 2. So that means x is 1 and y is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. X is 2. Y is 4. Two times 4 is 8. So x is 4. Y is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. X is 6. Y is 12. And 2 times 9 is 18. So x is 9. Y is 18. Okay, so these are our coordinate pairs and we're going to graph them. So again, this is x, my independent. And this is y, my dependent. And we're going to go by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And over here, we're going to be going by let's go by 4's. Okay. Alright, so we're going to graph the first one. 1, 2. So we have 1 is in between here, and then we're going to go to 2. Then we have 2, 4, 2, 4. Then we have 4, 8. 4 all the way up to 8. 6, 12. So 6 and then go up to 12. Then 9, 18. So 9 is between 8 and 10, and then we go up to 18. And again, we connect our points. And this is multiplicative. And it is also linear because it goes in a line. Okay. Now it's important that you understand that multiplicative starts at 0, like this one. See how it started at 0. And then additive does not start at 0. See how it started up here? Okay. So it did not start at 0. 0 is down here in the corner. Okay. So additive does not start at 0, and multiplicative does. Okay. Make sure you write everything down just the way that I have it in order to get credit for tomorrow. Thank you.